Bonjour French Chic ladies, it's Marianne, and today in our French Chic in 60 seconds, I will be talking about making the most of your wardrobe. Our question today comes from 24 Starbuck, and she asks, my problem is that I get a favorite and comfortable outfit that makes me feel good and wear it all the time. I have many lovely clothes in my wardrobe, but choose the same items most days. I have to make myself choose a different outfit just so others don't think I am boring or lazy. So how can you make the most of your wardrobe? Let's put 60 seconds on the clock. On y va! This is the perfect example of the 80-20 Pareto principle, that people are wearing 20% of their wardrobe 80% of the time. So what can you do if you are in this predicament? The thing to do is have a good look at your wardrobe. What is the 80% that you do not wear? Okay, and ask yourself a question, why you don't wear this 80%? Okay, so have a good look. Maybe you need to declutter it because there's a reason you don't wear it. Maybe you haven't got the opportunity, it no longer fits you, you no longer like it, because let's keep this in mind. If you're not wearing it, probably you don't like it enough. But 24 Starbucks told us that she has lovely clothes in her wardrobe. So my advice is, bring out these lovely clothes and make yourself wear them. Create those outfits to go, just like my previous French Chic 60 second video, so that you don't have to think about it. The outfits are ready for you to wear. Thank you very much, 24 Starbucks, for your question, and I hope this was helpful for you. And please stop thinking about people who think, you are lazy or whatever. Just wear your lovely clothes from now on. And of course, the aim is for you to wear all your beautiful clothes so that you feel beautiful inside and out. So if anyone has any question that you would like answered in this French Chic in 60 second format, please let us know in the comments below or email me at info@mariannelecoeur.com. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. Au revoir.